Hi, I'm your Panda buddy from ProdPanda AI. Today we'll learn product management the easy way. A product is anything that satisfies a need or want. Products may be physical, digital, services, or hybrids. We categorize them into four types: industrial, consumer, digital, and finally AI systems. Physical products require factories, logistics, and supply chains. Digital products rely on designers, developers, and fast updates. Product management guides a product from idea to success. A product manager acts like a mini CEO. They define the product vision, goals, and roadmap. They focus deeply on customer needs, collaborate with teams, and prioritize features. Growth PMs drive acquisition. Technical PMs aid engineers, and general PMs lead strategy. A product manager focuses on the why and what, while a project manager focuses on the how and when. To succeed, you'll need skills like problem solving, empathy, and data thinking, plus prioritization, communication, and leadership